Back to my channel, and into this video we are going to look at text masking and typography in Coreldraw. So this is what I mean by text masking, what you can see on your screen. All right, so we are going to use this picture to recreate what we have over here. If you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics, and this is where we learn everything related to graphic design. Kindly subscribe to my channel and stick to this video, like this video, share. If you have any question, drop it under the comment section. I will be happy to respond. So the first thing you're going to do after you have your picture ready, you come to your text tool and type whatever you want. I prefer groove. Let's use the word groove, same word that we use. So then you are going to bring this down, bring this other one down, just separate them like that and bring them down like this. Okay, and change the font to, or come to your property bar and change this font to whatever you like anyways. So we are now going to use our shape tools to close the gap between the fonts. All right, so we are going to close the gap like this. Okay, so we have to close the gap something like this, guys. So now bring it close to this picture, then you are going to scale it up all the way down. Okay, so the way I did it, I just scale it up all the way down and close this space, something like this, guys. All right, so once you are done, we are going to give an outline to this text. So what you are going to do is either you come here and you right click on this, you have an outline, or you come to your outline here. So you have your, as you can see, this pen tools, you click here, so you have an outline. So as you can see, the outline is not giving us it's not thick enough, so we are going to come here, double click on this place, and then change it to, come to the width and change it to, let's say 3. Let's use 3. Then you click on OK, so you have something like this, guys. All right, so once you have this, make sure that, like I said, this place is closed. All right, so you close the space between the text. All right, okay, if it's not close enough, all you need to do is to use your shape tools here and drag it from here up. Okay, you drag it from here, click and drag a little bit up like that in order to close it properly. And then don't forget to bring it down. Use this, you are using this to drag it down. Okay, all right, so once you are done like this, we are going to remove the black that we have as fill color. So all you need to do, you right click here, all right, to remove the, sorry, you click on this place, rather just click on it, don't right click, just click to remove the fill color, which is the black one. So now the next thing you are going to do, you are going to power clip this text, this picture into this text. So all you need to do, right click on this picture, and then you see power clip, then power clip this picture into this text like this. All right, so once you are done power clipping your picture into the text, go into the text and copy the picture. You can either right click on the picture and you see copy, and then you close the power clip, and then you paste the copy picture over here. Then send this copy picture to the back of the groove. So how do you do that? On your keyboard, press Ctrl page down. Okay, so once you press Ctrl page down, it will take it down just like this. All right, so okay, this is where we are going to be doing the magic. So the next thing you are going to do, you click on this picture, the one you copied and paste, then come to your shape tool, and then you have this line like this. So you click and close this line, just click and drag and cover the two sides, then click here and drag to this point. Let me zoom in so that you see what I mean. So click and drag, just click and drag to this line, so that place that I told you to close up. All right, so we are going to click and drag like that. So once you have it like this, guys, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on the shape tool again, so you have something like this. So you click here, guys, just add a knot here, you double click, then you double click here as well. You are adding a knot So then click in the middle of it, and then you come here, just click here and then drag all the way like that. Okay, click and drag all the way like that, so you have something like this. So click on the shape tool again, and this place is fine. So this place, you need to cover this place with white. All right, so all you need to do, you click here and then you click here. If I were you, I would just click in the middle instead of double clicking. Then I'll right click on it. You see the curve, you click on curve and then drag it like that, guys. So the shape tool again, add a knot here, because we need to close this, turn this place to white completely. So you click in the middle, right click on it, you see the curve, turn it to curve, guys. So the next one, do the same thing. We still have one or two. So you click in the middle, right click to curve. Remember, you can also click here to curve. All right, so we also have to do something like that over here, because I want this place to be completely white. So we're just going to add a curve in the middle and then drag it all the way like that, guys. So here I would like to cover up this place. I don't want this place to remain white like the other ones. So all I need to do, click here and then add a knot here, add a knot here, and place a knot in the middle. If I click on it to curve, then drag this one here. Use this arrow to rearrange, position it very well. So and if you like, you can leave this size to white. If you don't want, you can continue the process, but I would like to leave it white so that here we have a scarf, then here nothing is here. So I would like to leave it like this. So guys, so this is how we were able to get the typography and the masking. All right, so in order to have a better view, so I'm going to draw a rectangle, something like this, guys. I'm going to draw a rectangle like this and bring it all the way down. Okay, so just like that, guys. So you can just give it a color, whichever color that you want. I like, you can give it black color or not completely black, let's say 90% black. Okay, then send this to the back, click Ctrl page down. All right, something like this, guys. Move the outline, move the outline, move the outline. So this is the final result, guys. So what do you think? Drop me a comment under the comment section and let me know. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, share so that other people can benefit from it. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.